Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coinbase Web3 wallet. This powerful tool opens up the world of Web3, letting you interact with decentralized applications and manage your digital assets with ease. We'll cover everything from setting it up to making your first transactions and connecting to dApps. Get ready to dive into the exciting future of the internet, all from your browser. Let's get started. Setting up your Coinbase Web3 wallet is straightforward. First, download the official browser extension. Once installed, you'll choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one using your 12-word recovery phrase. Remember, this phrase is your key to everything, so write it down and store it somewhere extremely secure, preferably offline. Never share it with anyone.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. On another note, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for diving into books, articles, or even learning more about crypto. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Funding your Web3 wallet is simple. You can transfer cryptocurrencies directly from your Coinbase exchange account or send assets from another wallet. To send crypto, input the recipient's address and the amount. Always double-check all transaction details, including the network and amount, before confirming. Transactions on the blockchain are irreversible, so precision is key for successful transfers. The true power of your Web3 wallet lies in its ability to connect with decentralized applications, or dApps. Simply navigate to a dApp, click Connect Wallet, and select Coinbase Wallet. You'll then approve any smart contract interactions, like trading tokens or staking assets. Always exercise caution and verify the authenticity of any dApp before granting access to your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.